We all know that mini fridges are great for adding that little bit of fridge space to a room that typically wouldn't have it, like a bonus room, a man cave, a garage, a finished basement, or even a workplace like a studio. So let's go over some of the features that are specific to this mini fridge. I really like that the door can be switched to open on either side. There are instructions on how to do that in the manual. So you can really customize it to make it work for your space. It can hold a lot of drinks and snacks. Specifically, it stores cans really well. And then you can choose to put taller bottles in the door, or the shelf is adjustable. You can move it up one, and then you are able to fit taller bottles in the body of the fridge, and the door can even hold a wine bottle. It comes with this little drip tray that you can keep under the freezer to keep it clean inside, and it also comes with an ice cube tray that you can keep in the freezer department to have ice for your drinks. I like the little touch that the freezer door stays open while you're putting the ice cube tray in, because I've had one where it's on a spring load and will just close, and it makes it kind of hard to get in. Right when you get it, there's some plastic to remove, but it's already fully assembled, ready to plug in and use. I would hang on to the manual because it goes over some do's and don'ts to keep in mind for using the mini fridge. And it also comes with a scraper and describes that every once in a while it's a good idea to scrape any ice off of the little freezer compartment to keep it maintained. This mini fridge works well, holds a lot of stuff, is good quality, so I can recommend it.